Hello and welcome to the Rise of the Pywomen series. In this today vlog, we will discuss 5 reasons why you should choose Python instead of R for data science. Welcome again to the vlog 9. I'm Manya and my mission is helping decision makers gain more profit with machine learning insights. So let's discuss 5 reasons why you should choose Python instead of R. First of all, as you may see or know, so this is a Rise of the Pywoman, not Rise of the R woman. So you can assume that I'm not a Python data scientist, that I'm not a R data scientist, but I am a Python data scientist. Yeah. So the first reason, when I was beginning doing and learning data science, I had 2 opportunities. So first was like some of other data scientists and developers, they told me like you should learn R and also Python. That way you will be more competitive on the market. But I realized that specialization is key. So the first reason is specialization is the key. So I decided to learn Python in depth and choose that one and be the really best one in that field, because if you know 2 programming languages on average, that is not good for you. The second reason is Python is an industry programming language and R is a university language. So that means that you have bigger salary if you are a data scientist who knows Python, and you will have less salary if you are a data scientist who has R skills. And also you have more better and really good projects in field where in industries where they need Python instead of R. Also, the fourth reason why you should choose Python instead of R is currently Python is the 3rd most wanted programming language on the world after the Java and JavaScript. And also, I was doing some analysis and projections, and by my projections, Python will be the 2nd programming language by the end of 2019, and in the 2020 it will be the 1st programming language on the world. That means really good news for data scientists who knows Python. And also the 5th reason, but also not the last one, is that you have more libraries, also open source libraries with Python, and also you have more resources for learning. And for those of you who are not from engineering field, as I am, so I am from economics and statistics and mathematics background, learning Python is for you more familiar and it's a better environment for you than R. So that's it for these 5 reasons you have to choose Python. So you have to work smart, not hard. That's the key to success. And like, if you like this vlog and other vlogs, please like it, comment and share with someone from data science world. Until tomorrow, bye!